keep your Lightroom running smoothly and access the newest tools by understanding how to apply patches and updates. First, locate and open your Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. This is your central hub for managing all your Adobe software. Once Creative Cloud is open, look for the Apps tab on the left-hand side and click on it. This will display a list of all your installed Adobe applications. Now, scroll down the list of applications until you find either Lightroom Classic or simply Lightroom, depending on the version you use. If an update is available, you'll see an update button next to your Lightroom application. Simply click this button to begin the patching process. The Creative Cloud app will then download and install the necessary files. This might take a few moments, so be patient while it completes. Once the update is finished, you'll typically see a notification confirming that Lightroom has been successfully updated. You may also see the button change to open. You can now open your Lightroom application. You'll likely notice better performance, and you'll have access to any new features or bug fixes included in the patch. Regularly checking for and applying these patches ensures optimal performance, access to the latest features, and enhanced stability for your Lightroom experience. Stay current, stay productive.